Starting around 17 September 2023, Dogecoin for the most part is exchanging at $0.062 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in kind of most recent 60 minutes. Or so they sort of commonly thought in an unobtrusive manner. Doge generally truly has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $8,766,991,788, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $136,756,783, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. This basically essentially makes Dogecoin, Doge, certainly positioning at 8 in the digital currency market. Or so they generally thought. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense, basically is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin certainly be in every way that really matters, worth in 2023, in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Dogecoin an especially excellent speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Will Doge cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking high? Or so they in a real sense thought in a significant way. These most certainly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost by and large for the most part is supposed to fundamentally cross an especially normal value level of $0.093, the normal by and large least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to be $0.089, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Besides, Doge can generally by and large arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.098, pretty especially in spite of prevalent thinking in a for the most part significant manner. Dogecoin value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin basically is supposed to explicitly be at around a kind of least of $0.072, which essentially is very huge. Dogecoin cost can in a real sense arrive at a sort of limit of $0.082, with the sort of typical cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, or so they fundamentally thought, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin really is certainly anticipated to basically reach at a sort of lovely least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, sort of beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking in a significant manner. The Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at a really greatest worth of $0.085, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.083, all through 2023 incredibly. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089 in an unobtrusive manner, which is genuinely huge. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to generally especially be around $0.086, which in a real sense all things considered, is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters, certainly is somewhat sort of anticipated to sort of reach at a sort of least worth of $0.086 in November 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. The Doge cost could basically arrive at a decently genuinely most extreme worth of $0.093, with the in every way that really matters kind of normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023. In an in every way that really matters, significant way. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin generally is for the most part anticipated to in a real sense all things considered, reach at a pretty genuinely least worth of $0.089 in December 2023. So the Doge cost could super arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0.085, with the all things considered lovely normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023 in a truly significant manner. The Doge cost could commonly sort of arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.098, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023. In an in every way that really matters, fundamentally significant way. Dogecoin pretty past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large in a real sense has been in every way that really matters diminished by 0.03% in its pretty especially current worth in an unobtrusive manner, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we sort of in every practical sense analyze the kind of current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in opposition to prevalent thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. From truly sort of most recent 7 days, the Doge by and large explicitly was in commonly especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.55%. In a kind of enormous manner, Dogecoin fundamentally has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential of late. And this could be somewhat great chance to explicitly truly dive right in and contribute, which for the most part is very critical. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge essentially diminished by 34.537%, disposing of an astounding truly normal amount of $0.033 from its certainly current worth, genuinely further appearance. How in the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogecoin sort of be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an especially decent, essentially purchase an open door for pretty fast speculation, for the most part fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 28.03%, and the cost circled from a fundamentally least truly normal cost of $0.085 to extremely greatest exceptionally normal cost of $0.088 in the truly beyond 90 days. Dogecoin generally is somewhere near 13.04% with the genuinely greatest by and large genuinely normal cost of the coin especially was around $0.076, and the fundamentally least especially normal cost of for the most part was around $0.073 in for the most part beyond 4 months, exhibiting that Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically is explicitly anticipated to really basically reach at a kind of least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, in an unpretentious way in an essentially significant manner. Dogecoin value estimate 2023 facts. What will actually by and large be Dogecoin sort of worth in 2023? All things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking, the Doge value sort of is gauged to arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0.098, with truly least cost of $0.089, toward the finish of 2023, in an unobtrusive manner. Does Dogecoin sort of have a future? Or so they for the most part commonly thought. As far as value, Dogecoin in a real sense has a remarkable in every way that really matters, potential to sort of arrive at new